Dad, are you a vlog hater?
I'm not a hater, I'm just sarcastic about those weirdos that jabber on about their feelings when they don't matter.
Your feelings matter. Hi, yummies. Good morning, vlogmas day 16. I am about to make some breakfast. I just did Becky's hair and we watched part of Alicia Marie's vlogmas while we were doing that, which resulted in us getting endlessly mocked by our father. But I'm not sure what I want to eat, so I need to figure that out and then we'll go from there. Peace. Okay, for breakfast, I already started eating it. I've got eggs and onions and sausage. And avocado toast with some hot sauce. And I'm still watching Alicia Marie vlogmas. But my mom and my sister and I are gonna go shopping soon.
Wait, Tara. Peekaboo! I see you!
Mary, do you want to tell the vlog what we're doing today?
We're going shopping at Ollie's.
We're going work shopping, so not for just for fun. The lighting is so bad. Oh, that's better, I guess. Not really. Yeah, first we have to drop off the kids at school because Lisa took way too long to get ready. Oh.
Is elephant.
That's not the elephant.
We're elephants.
Elephant. I know, I didn't it.
I don't wear cow.
E-I-E-I-O. With the moo moo here and the moo moo there. There up moo, there up moo, everywhere up moo.
When I was 13, I had my first love.
Hey guys, we are still workshopping. I inherited this jacket from my dad and I love it. We've been here for a little over 2 hours. I'm getting kind of hungry, but I just thought I would give you a little outfit of the day. Just got shoes on. Hey Mare, good. How are you? How are you feeling about your job today so far?
Feeling super hungry.
Me too. I got a bag of chips, but I'm not eating it. I figured we should go to PDQ. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Yes! Mom, did you hear that? You guys. Mom, how many carts did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys, we have 9 carts today, so pretty average work day. We'll have to fit it all into this van. Comment down below if you think we can do it. We've never not done it, but today could be the first time. We did it, you guys. The van is full. We're finally home. I smashed my lunch before I could show you, and everything is unloaded. What happened? Raisa. Huh? Ty and I decided to come outside, and he is making a huge mess with the wood chips. Ty, what you doing? Okay guys, I saw a TikTok yesterday of this food and it looked so good. So I'm gonna make it. You know what? I was just like, period. I'm finally gonna do.
I'm tired of this. Just sitting around not doing what I want.
Period.
Period.
Say it again for the people in the back.
Period.
Basically, it's like biscuits, cheese, pepperoni, pizza sauce, like chopped up in a little pan like this. Disgusting. So yeah, let's go. First we have our biscuit.
You know how you say biscuits in Amish? Biscuit.
True. Biscuits, yeah. Mom, tell them what biscuits Gravy hama.
Actually, the correct pronunciation is biscuits.
That means dunk.
You feel like you're
You're being so silly. We're just gonna wing it if she just winged it. Okay, so we actually need a bowl. So I think I just need to quarter all of the biscuits. Okay, so I have all of the biscuits cut up. Now I'm gonna go get some olive oil. Okay, so I have some olive oil here. I'm just gonna do a little drizzle. Now I have some Italian seasoning.
I always thought it was sugar.
Okay, so I put a little bit of cheese and some of the biscuits in here. Now I have some pepperonis I'm gonna chop up. Thank you for the vocals, Albert. And I throw these in here. And then I have some pizza sauce here. Excuse me. This is what the tin looks like so far. I just want a lot of cheese. That's kind of where I'm at. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And all the layer of biscuits. I really hope this is good because I have very high expectations. This is the final product. Let it focus. Anyway. I got gifts.
Do a gift haul for them, Ben.
Do you know, I'll just hold you. Because I'm quirky. I got hot Cheetos. A chocolate bar. How exciting. And of course, have fun, I know. Hey, I'm opening boxes. Return. Return.
Oh my gosh, we love a haul.
It's gonna be all returns. Mask. Pillow. Interesting. Ink cartridges. Wow, what a fun haul, am I right? Oh, wait, there's one more. Some tights. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this segment. Oh, you guys, it kind of flopped. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Look at it. Like half of it came out. Also, it's been baking for so long because I used 2 cans of biscuits and I probably should have only used 1. There's so much of it, like so much. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I haven't tried it yet. Listen. That bit was good, but it was literally only cheese and pepperoni.
I want to see you open
So I'm gonna see how it goes. I also did a poll on Instagram, and the majority won. So I bought this life-size poster of Jason Aldean. It's supposed to be like an ad for this energy drink called Outlaw Energy, but literally $5.99 for a cutout.
for an ad.
For an ad, basically. I paid for an ad. But I don't know, I think Jason and I are gonna have some good times. We're gonna just adventure together.
I'm probably gonna break it off. You know what I mean?
Thank you for watching Vlogmas.
That's not how he
That's
sounds.
so kind.
Over. Thank y'all for watching Vlogmas. I'm a country boy at heart, but I do love this video stuff too.
Yeah. See, Vlogmas is for everyone.
Period.
Anyway, stay tuned for more adventures from Jason and I.
Stay tuned. Wow.
Bitch.
Like and subscribe, y'all.
Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Bye.